Hello, my friends. Welcome back to HH Beauty Garden. Before we begin, I would love to know where you are watching from. Please leave me a comment below. It always warms my heart to hear from you. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel so we can meet again whenever the roses bloom. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to propagate roses in water, a method that's natural, gentle, and works with almost any rose variety. Step 1. Choose the right cutting. Pick a healthy rose branch, about 15 centimeters long. Remove all the leaves along the stem, keeping only the tip if it's still young. Just as people sometimes need to let go of worries to start fresh, plants also need to be simplified so their energy can go into growing strong roots. Step 2. Prepare the garlic. Take 1 clove of garlic, peel it, and make a small hole in it. Garlic is not just for cooking. It's a natural protector, helping fight bacteria and fungus and waking up the sleeping cells at the base of the stem. Gently insert the base of your rose cutting into the garlic and rub it lightly. Step 3. Make the rooting solution. Peel and chop 3 more cloves of garlic and place them in a small cup. Cut a lemon in half and squeeze the juice into the cup. Lemon helps to disinfect and strengthen the stem, just like morning sunlight chasing away the mist. Add 2 tablespoons of rice. As the rice ferments slightly, it will release nutrients that gently encourage the roots to grow. Finally, pour in about 50 milliliters of clean water and stir well. Garlic, lemon, and rice together make a magical mix, part protection, part stimulation, part quiet nourishment. Step 4. Soak the cutting, place the rose stem into the mixture, and let it soak for about 15 minutes. After that, strain the liquid to remove any bits, keeping only the clear solution. Step 5. Aloe vera boost. Cut a piece of fresh aloe vera, make a small hole, and place the stem base inside. Aloe vera is cool, gentle, and full of healing properties. It protects the stem from damage and adds extra nutrients. Let it soak for another 10 minutes. Step 6. Create a mini greenhouse. Pour the prepared solution into a small plastic bag. Place the rose cutting inside with the top half of the stem sticking out. Tie the bag tightly with a string to keep moisture in. This creates a stable, moist environment for the roots, not too wet, not too dry, like a soft cradle for new life. Step 7. Keep it safe. Place the bag into a plastic cup, then cover it with another plastic bag, tying it tightly again. Keep it in a cool, shaded spot, away from strong sunlight. After 5 days, you'll see tiny droplets of water forming inside, a sign that life has begun. The roots are waking up and new buds are starting to form. Step 8. Check the progress. Open the bag and look closely. A new bud may have just appeared, small but full of promise. Gently check the roots. If you see strong white roots clinging to the stem like tiny fingers, your cutting is ready for the next step. Step 9. Plant in coconut fiber. Prepare moist coconut fiber and gently place your cutting inside. Coconut fiber holds moisture well and gives the roots plenty of air, like a mother's arms holding her baby close. And that's it. From a single branch using only garlic, lemon, rice, and aloe vera, you can grow a brand new rose plant. You can even try this with other soft-stemmed plants like bougainvillea, hydrangea, or peony. Thank you for joining me on this little journey. If you found this guide helpful, please like, comment, or share it with other flower lovers. And remember to subscribe so next time we can grow something beautiful together with our own hands and hearts. I can also prepare a version with intentional pauses and pacing marks so that when you convert this to TTS, it will sound slower, calmer, and perfect for the 45+ audience you're aiming for. Would you like me to prepare that next?